Welcome back to Soft Spoken English, the place where we learn English through heart-touching and real-life stories. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Soft Spoken English.
Hello and welcome to another episode of Soft Spoken English, your safe space to listen, practice, and grow your English skills naturally. I'm Rashika.
And I'm Nick. And today, we're talking about something really important, your job. Or more specifically, how to talk about your job in English.
For many of us, work is a huge part of life. Whether you love your job, feel stuck in it, or you're just starting out, being able to talk about your work is a real-life English skill you'll use again and again.
In this episode, we're going to share our own stories about our jobs, the good, the bad, and everything in between. We'll use real phrases, natural vocabulary, and show you how to describe your job in a way that sounds confident and clear.
So, get comfortable. Grab your headphones, a notebook maybe, or just listen while walking or relaxing. Let's begin. My journey as a content creator. So Nick, I'll go first.
Absolutely, go for it.
Alright. So, my job. I work as a content creator. That means I create videos, write scripts, record podcasts, all about helping people speak English better and feel more confident. But it wasn't always like this. I used to feel really unsure about my career. I studied something totally different in college, not media or language. But deep down, I always loved storytelling. I loved explaining things in a simple way, and I enjoyed speaking. So, I started making videos online. Small ones. Basic editing. No script. Just me, speaking from the heart. And guess what? People started responding. Slowly, the views grew. I got comments from learners saying, "Rashika, your voice is calming. I understand you easily." That one comment changed my life. Because I realized, this is what I want to do. Now, I write every day. I record in my little home studio. I edit. I upload. I teach. I listen. I respond. It's not always easy, but it's meaningful.
What do your days usually look like?
Great question. So, a typical day starts around 7 a.m. I check emails. Then I write. Scripting is a big part of my job. I need to write in simple, clear English that feels real. I research topics learners care about, like fluency, vocabulary, confidence. Then I record. Sometimes I do voiceover. Other days, I film myself. Editing comes next. It takes time. And finally, posting, and replying to comments. It sounds simple, but it takes love, patience, and a lot of silent failures.
What do you love the most about your job?
I think it's the messages I get. Someone telling me they finally spoke English in a job interview. Or that they listened to my podcast every night and felt less alone. That's magic. That's purpose.
That's beautiful.
Thank you. Okay, now your turn.
A life in tech and coaching. So, I work in tech. I'm a product designer at a software company. I design how apps look and feel. But that's just one part of me. I also coach young professionals on communication, especially non-native English speakers. I started in tech as a graphic designer. But soon I got curious. Why do people click some buttons and ignore others? Why do apps feel frustrating or friendly? That curiosity led me to product design. Now, my work is about understanding people, their goals, their confusion, their feelings, and then designing solutions that feel easy and human.
So you work in both design and coaching?
Yes. I love both. Design gives me structure. Coaching gives me connection. I get to help others become better communicators, and I share tips from my own experience learning English professionally.
How do you use English in your job?
Oh, constantly. Emails. Presentations. Client meetings. Team calls. English is the bridge. If I speak clearly and simply, the design makes sense. If I'm unclear, the project suffers. I've learned to speak less, but say more. That's my motto now.
That's powerful. Okay. Now it's your turn to shadow with us. That means you'll repeat after me, exactly how I say it. Ready?
Let's warm up. Repeat after us, slowly and clearly.
I work as a software developer. Pause, listener repeats. I usually start my day with a team meeting. Pause, listener repeats.
My job involves solving problems and writing code. Pause. I love building things that people can actually use. Pause.
Sometimes, I feel tired, but I remind myself why I started. Pause. I enjoy helping others through my work. Pause.
I'm proud of my growth in this job. Pause. Every challenge teaches me something new. Pause.
Great. Now let's try a small conversation. You be me, and Nick will reply. You say, hi. I work in marketing. What about you?
Oh, that's cool. I work in product design. I design apps and websites. You say, that sounds interesting. Do you enjoy your job? Yes, I love it. It's creative and fun, but sometimes stressful.
You say, same here. But I learn something new every day.
Nice job. Shadow this again tomorrow. Repetition equals fluency. Let's now go over some useful job-related English phrases. These are the words and sentences you can use to talk about your work confidently.
Common job vocabulary. Let's begin with some simple job titles. 1 teacher. 2 software developer. 3 nurse. 4 marketing manager. 5 customer support agent. 6 graphic designer. 7 content creator. 8 data analyst. 9 salesperson. 10 engineer.
Daily phrases you can use at work. Here are some phrases I use every day. I'm working on a new project. Let's schedule a meeting. I'll send you the report by evening. I need to fix this bug. I'm waiting for client feedback. Let's brainstorm some ideas. Can we talk later? I'm in a call. I just finished my task. I'm learning something new every day. Sometimes it gets overwhelming, but I try to stay focused.
Here are some email or formal expressions we use in jobs. As discussed in our meeting. Please find the attached file. Let me know if you have any questions. Looking forward to your response. Kindly note the changes. Apologies for the delay. Thank you for your time.
Useful verbs related to work. Try to use these action words when talking about your job. Manage. Organize. Collaborate. Support. Create. Lead. Develop. Design. Edit. Handle.
Example sentences. 1. I manage a team of 5 people. 2. I collaborate with the sales department every week. 3. I handle customer queries and complaints. 4. I edit social media content for my company. 5. I'm currently developing a new app.
Learn these phrases by heart. Try using 2 or 3 today when talking to someone or even just in front of the mirror.
Okay. Now let's slow down a little. Let's talk about feelings. Working a job isn't always about tasks, emails, or meetings. It's also about how you feel. Motivated, tired, confused, proud, or even lost. Today, I want to share what I truly feel sometimes.
Same here. I think many people only show the productive side of their job. But let's be honest. There are days when I feel tired. There are days I feel like I'm not good enough.
Yes. And it's okay. Some days I feel proud. Like, wow, I helped someone today. But on other days, I feel like, am I doing the right thing? Is this really for me?
Sometimes I wake up and I feel like I don't want to open my laptop today. Even though I like my job. I feel tired. But you know what helps? Small wins. Finishing one task. Helping one colleague. Having one good conversation.
Exactly. And also, remembering why I started. I started this career to help people speak English. To make them feel confident. To make them smile. That keeps me going.
Let's also talk about burnout. That's when your body is working, but your heart is tired. You start doing things on autopilot. You stop feeling joy.
I've been there. That moment when you're staring at the screen for hours but getting nothing done. When your energy is zero and your mind says, I need a break. If you're listening to this and feeling that way, take a deep breath. You are not alone.
So how do we keep going? How do we find purpose? It's simple, remind yourself. Who am I helping with my job? What skills am I learning right now? How is this job helping me grow?
For me, my purpose is connection. If my job helps me connect with people, I feel happy. If I can share a message, a smile, a new word, I feel proud.
So dear listener, if you feel lost in your job sometimes, don't give up. You're doing better than you think.
And if you're searching for your dream job, keep going. Keep learning. You are building your story. And you know what? We're proud of you. Really. This part will help you sound natural when talking about your work in real life. Let's practice with sample conversations. 1. Talking about your job title.
Hi. What do you do for a living?
I work as a project coordinator at a software company. What about you?
I'm a freelance graphic designer. I mostly work from home.
Oh, nice. That sounds fun and creative. 2. Talking about your daily tasks. So, what does a normal day look like for you?
I usually start by checking my emails. Then I attend meetings with clients and create designs for their projects. What about you?
I help manage schedules, follow up with the team, and make sure everything runs smoothly. 3. Talking about work pressure.
Do you ever feel stressed at work?
Yeah, sometimes. Especially when there are last-minute changes or tight deadlines. But I try to stay calm and take one thing at a time.
Same here. I take breaks when things get overwhelming. 4. Talking about your future goals.
Where do you see yourself in the next few years?
I'd love to start my own design studio. How about you?
I want to lead a team and train young professionals. Teaching is something I really enjoy. 5. Talking casually with a friend.
How was work today?
Busy. Back-to-back meetings and so many follow-ups. I barely had time for lunch.
Oof, sounds intense. I just wrapped up a project, so today was a bit relaxed for me.
Lucky you. I need a day like that soon. Now it's your turn, repeat after us. Let's do a short roleplay now. We'll say a line. You repeat it. I'm a marketing executive at an IT firm. Pause for repeat.
I usually start my day with a quick team call. Pause for repeat.
My job can be stressful, but I like the challenge. Pause for repeat.
In the future, I want to grow into a leadership role. Pause for repeat.
You're doing great. Keep practicing these short sentences. Speak them out loud. Practice in front of a mirror, or with us here every day. Practice time, your turn to speak. This part is all about you. You've listened, shadowed, repeated. Now it's your time to speak freely. We'll give you some guided speaking prompts and small tasks. You can pause after each question and answer out loud. Even if no one's around, speak clearly, because this is your practice space. Task 1. Introduce yourself. Say this out loud. Hi, I'm, your name. I work as a, your job title. I've been working in this field for, X years/months. I enjoy, one thing you like about your job. Example. Hi, I'm Annie. I work as a customer support associate. I've been in this role for 6 months. I enjoy helping customers and solving their problems. Now, your turn. Pause and speak it in your own words.
Task 2. Talk about your daily work routine. Describe your typical day. My workday usually starts at time. First task. Then next task. I usually take a break around time. My day ends at time. Example. My workday starts at 9 a.m. First, I check my emails and reply to urgent messages. Then I attend team meetings. I usually take a break around 1 p.m. My day ends around 6:30 p.m. Now pause and speak your version.
Task 3. Talk about a recent work challenge. Try answering. Recently, I had a situation at work where it was difficult because, but I handled it by. In the end, I learned. Example. Recently, I had a situation where a client was unhappy with a delivery delay. It was difficult because I had no control over logistics. But I kept communicating with the client and updating them honestly. In the end, they appreciated the support and stayed with us. Now you try. Pause and speak out your challenge.
Task 4. Talk about what you enjoy. Answer this. What I love about my job is. It makes me feel. I feel proud when. Example. What I love about my job is the opportunity to solve problems. It makes me feel smart and useful. I feel proud when my team meets deadlines smoothly. Now your turn to share. Speak freely, from the heart.
Task 5. Talk about your future plans. Answer this. In the future, I want to. I'm working on improving. My dream job is. Example. In the future, I want to move into a managerial role. I'm working on improving my communication and leadership skills. My dream job is to lead a team and create impact. Now speak your version. Speak for 1 minute freestyle. Ready for a real challenge? Set a 1-minute timer. Speak about your job, your feelings, your daily tasks, anything. No script. No translation. Just you, and English. Even if you make mistakes, keep going. That's how fluency grows. You got this. Amazing work. This was your speaking zone. Come back and try again tomorrow. Same questions, new answers. You did it. You stayed with us till the end. And that means, you're serious about your English. Even if you made mistakes, it doesn't matter. What matters is, you showed up. You practiced. You spoke out loud. You listened, shadowed, and improved.
And we're so proud of you. Fluency doesn't happen overnight. But every single day like this. Every moment you give to your English. It builds your confidence, your brain, your skills.
Remember this. You're not behind. You're not late. You're not too old, too slow, or too weak to speak English. You're just getting started. And we are here with you.
Come back tomorrow. Same time. Same voice. Same support. Every day, just 15 to 20 minutes of listening, speaking, and shadowing can change your English forever.
You're not alone on this journey. We're walking with you, step by step. And every step you take, counts.
Keep speaking. Keep dreaming. And most of all, Keep believing in yourself.
This is Soft Spoken English. We believe in your voice. See you in the next episode.